Time now to get some tax tips from Lisa Greene-Lewis. She's a CPA and tax expert. Thank you, Lisa, for joining us today. How have tax laws changed for the most recent tax year of 2022?
The biggest change you'll see for tax year 2022 is the tax provisions under the American Rescue Plan. They're either reverting or going away. So for instance, the child tax credit, that increased up to $3,600 in tax year 2021. It's going back to $2,000. The child and dependent care credit, that increased up to $8,000 if you have two or more kids. That's going back to $2,100 with two or more kids. And for the 90% of taxpayers that were able to claim non-cash charitable contributions up to $300 in tax year 2021, that has fully gone away.
How can filers maximize that tax refund?
I would make sure that you gather your receipts and forms, that show your expenses and that you'll be able to deduct. Like, for instance, we talked about kids. If you have kids you took to daycare, make sure you have your receipts for the child care. If you're a homeowner, make sure you have the form that reports your home mortgage interest and property taxes. And then if you're self-employed, make sure you have your receipts for all of those business expenses that you're eligible for.
What are you seeing in tax trends?
Yes, we did a tax trend report. And so we saw shifts in income, employment, with the Great Resignation and quiet quitting. We've seen changes in people investing in crypto. So we saw 2.9% people report their crypto transactions. We saw a 10.2% increase in income. So I think you'll continue to see those shifts in income, in employment changes and investing.
For people who quit their jobs, what will tax season look like for them?
Yes, if you quit your jobs, a lot of people did quit and they dove into self-employment. They need to be mindful of, some of the tax laws if you're self-employed. So you will be required to pay self-employment taxes, but be aware you can lower those taxes by making sure that you claim all of your expenses directly related to your business. So, your mileage for driving, any advertising, any computer equipment, things like that. You want to make sure you maximize.
What options are available, Lisa, to people who want some guidance with their taxes?
Yes, they could come to TurboTax and they can fully hand their taxes over to a TurboTax Live full service tax expert and get their taxes done in one meeting while the tax expert does their taxes. And for more information, they can come to turbotax.com.
Thank you, Lisa, and happy tax season to you.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.